Greetings and welcome to the 2024-2025 Content Scheduling Screencast. My name is Danielle Lennon and I serve as one of the secondary social studies specialists. My primary focus is middle school, but I work closely with Samantha Zapata, whose focus is high school. Most of your questions should be directed to her first. I do want to pause and thank you for everything you do for our students. To stay abreast, please use the link on the slide to join the Social Studies Hub page. All updates, including those from DPI, will appear on this page first. Listed on the slide are the cohorts by 9th grade entry year, along with their corresponding classifications. The majority of students will fall in the highlighted cohort of 9th grade entry year 2021 to 2022 and beyond. Now let's break it down. 9th grade entry year 2021 to 2022 and beyond. The social studies graduation requirements are as follows. Students need 4 social studies credits for graduation for the Future Ready course of study. World History, American History, Civic Literacy, and Economics and Personal Finance. This is the sequence recommended by CMS and DPI, but may be accommodated to students' schedule needs. It is recommended that economics and personal finance be taken in the 11th or 12th grade year, but it can be taken when it best accommodates student schedules or your school site needs. 9th grade entry year, 2020 to 2021. These are students who may be in their 5th year of high school. These students need 4 social studies credits for graduation. World History, American History, or American History 1 or 2. Civic Literacy, or Civics and Economics, and Economics and Personal Finance. Again, this is the sequence recommended by DPI, but may be accommodated to student schedule needs. Again, it is recommended that economics and personal finance be taken in the 11th or 12th grade year. 9th grade entry year, 2014 to 2019. These students may be in year 6 plus of high school. 4 social studies graduation credits are needed. World History, a Founding Principles course, which shall be either Civic Literacy or Civics and Economics. American History courses shall either be American History 1 and 2, American History 1 or 2, and another social studies, or American History, the new course, and another social studies course. Some examples of that another social studies course are Economics and Personal Finance, African American Studies, or Latin American Studies. Please use the CMS Planning Guide to view elective course offerings. There is no double dipping. One class can't count as both a core graduation requirement and an elective. I would recommend pausing this slide to take notes. As of 2022, there is no AP replacement option for economics and personal finance. Here are the AP and IB options for graduation requirements. For World History, AP World History or IB History SL. American History, AP US History or IB History of the Americas HL. American History 1 and 2, AP US History, an additional social studies elective, or IB History of the Americas and an additional social studies elective. Founding Principles of the U.S. and North Carolina Civic Literacy, or Civic Literacy, AP Government and Politics. AP African American Studies. This class is now open to all high school students. There is no required prerequisite. Students who completed standard or honors African American Studies are eligible for this course for additional credit with AP weight. Students can take this as a first-time AP course. Students enrolled in the course are expected to sit for the AP exam for the course. For any additional information on AP African American Studies, please contact Caitlin Brick. For IB schools, here's the suggested sequence of courses. 9th grade Civic Literacy or Civics and Economics based on your 9th grade start year. 10th grade Economics and Personal Finance. 11th HODA HL, previously known as HODA 1. 12th HODA SL, previously known as HODA 2. Here is the chart at a glance of the DPI recommended course of study. Elective reminder. High schools will offer at least one section of Honors African American Studies or Honors Latin American Studies. Excuse me, that shouldn't be or, that is both. New, Holocaust elective, of course. If you are interested in offering this course for the 2024-2025 academic year, please fill out the form linked on this slide. Some things to consider. Teachers must be certified English or social studies, and there will be a required training in the summer, to be determined. That was a lot of information. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can reach out to myself or specifically Samantha Zapata as she focuses on high school for any clarification. Have a wonderful day.